okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Other car is more fit.
Next time you order something, I'll send you a gift. A camera that you can stick on the outside. So what we're doing here, folks, is doing a demo KMS MD35 on a turbocharged 2.3 liter Volvo. With the way it's mapped, never saw a dyno and runs perfectly. Everything's beautiful. Serious consideration for using it in any and every application. So we'll try to get you more exciting footage later. And I'm gonna move down here to EGTs and Lambda. You look at Lambda. You look at EGT under boost. as Johan scares all the people in Holland. This is light cruising. You can see Lambda, perfect Lambda. EGT 694, 700 Celsius. That's it for now.